Since its founding in 2014, San Francisco-based Black Ember has quickly established itself as one of the leading players within the technical backpack space. Equal parts urban in design and utilitarian in build, the brand consistently finds the right balance between form and function in its understated EDC bags. While there are any number of worthwhile options within the Black Ember catalog, we've had our eyes on one backpack in particular, the Citadel R2. As the second iteration in the Citadel lineup, it brings with it a new design and a number of notable improvements, at least in theory. In this hands-on review, we take a closer look at the bag to see whether its performance justifies its $225 MSRP. At first glance, the Black Ember Citadel appears deceptively straightforward, because the outside of the bag is about as clean as backpacks come. Shot in a muted dark gray, it sports 3 zipper tracks, a series of 5 Hypalon attachment points, and a top grab handle made from a thin nylon webbing. Otherwise, it's essentially a rectangle attached to a set of shoulder straps. With its boxy yet streamlined shape and noticeable lack of branding, it offers a fresh take on the classic book bag silhouette. It also seems pretty straightforward as far as its size is concerned, running some 19.5 inches long by 12.5 inches wide by 6.5 inches deep. The Citadel is neither especially small nor particularly large. Rather, it offers a nice middle ground that's manageable enough for EDC, yet capable enough for longer excursions. Thanks to its simple construction, the Citadel provides a generous 25 liters of storage. As you get more familiar with the bag, however, you discover just how much thought went into its development. Everywhere around the Citadel, Black Ember has engineered the bag for uncompromising practicality. From the removable side grab handle to the theft deterrent zipper garages, the backpack is abounding with informed design decisions. Much of Black Ember's value proposition lies in its materials selection, and this is certainly true in the case of the Citadel. For instance, the body of the bag comes crafted from the brand's 3-layer 800D microhex fabric, a textile that's not just incredibly tough, but also completely waterproof. Admittedly, it's a little stiff to the touch, but the matte finish means that it looks sleek and understated rather than awkward and bulky. Of course, without the proper sealing, water could work its way in between the fabric's various panels. Accordingly, Black Ember has built the bag using its signature RF welding process. So, whereas traditional bags are stitched with some kind of thread, the Citadel instead relies on a fully watertight heat treatment to bond its panels together. In practice, such a construction means that the bag is rated to IPX6 standards, ensuring total protection against weather, waterfalls, and brief bouts of total submersion. Put another way, this is one pack that's more than capable of standing up to your rainy day commute. And the premium build quality doesn't stop there. Around the rest of the bag, Black Ember has fitted the Citadel with a flurry of first-rate components. Expectedly, the closures are fastened with YKK AquaGuard zippers to ensure an ironclad defense against the elements. In typical Black Ember fashion, they also sport a set of Hypalon pull tabs, allowing smooth, catch-free operation with the added bonus of some solid anti-theft protection. Elsewhere, you'll find further Hypalon accents, including a set of loops for the sternum strap, as well as 5 bar-tacked mounting points along the sides of the bag. Compatible with a suite of optional Black Ember accessories, the mounts allow you to customize the Citadel according to your requirements. The included grab handle, for instance, enables you to carry the bag as both a backpack and a briefcase. Rounded out by a set of T6 aircraft-grade anodized aluminum hardware, the result is a bag that's as sharp in appearance as it is sturdy in build. As impressive as the Citadel is around the exterior, it's inside the bag where Black Ember has really exercised its innovative might. Along with a flat-pack clamshell design for easy packing and uninhibited operation, it also comes with a separate zipper for accessing your laptop. In practice, this means that you can simply slide your device inside without having to open the bag in its entirety. What's more, the laptop sleeve is suspended above the ground for extra drop protection. Open the bag up, however, and you'll unlock a wealth of organizational amenities. Along the bottom of the laptop sleeve is a zippered mesh pouch that provides plenty of room for larger items like laptop chargers. Above, there's an elasticated Velcro loop. In addition to securing the nylon pouches, it also doubles as a convenient headphone mounting point. Even with these items added though, we still had enough room for a packed pencil pouch behind the removable maglock divider. And that's far from all the bag has to offer. On the inside of the clamshell lid, Black Ember has fitted the Citadel with yet another zippered pouch. We opted to store a portable hard drive here, though we could have very easily fit something even larger. At the top of the lid, you'll find a second pocket, split into a series of individual compartments. It's ideal for smaller items like pocketable notebooks, pens, and even charging cables. As if that wasn't enough, Black Ember even gave the Citadel a lengthy sleeve for use with flatter carry such as magazines. Out front, there's a small zippered pocket for efficient on-the-go access, but with an integrated maglock key clip for quick removal. It also sports two further dividers for keeping track of easy-to-lose items like wireless earbuds, SD card readers, and travel-size hand sanitizers. Above all else though, our favorite organizational feature has to be the hidden document pocket located on the back panel. Whatever you opt to store here, you can rest assured that it'll be safe and secure, both from your bag's contents as well as any pickpockets. Given that the bag is so minimalist in form factor, Black Ember could have very easily opted for a set of flimsy nylon shoulder straps. However, doing so would be of little assistance to the wearer. Not to mention, it would be against the spirit of the brand's design language. Instead, Black Ember built the Citadel with a highly modular harness system that allows for a variety of different wear configurations and fits. Adjustable both top and bottom, the straps are padded with spacer mesh and reinforced with a layer of Hypalon fabric. What's more, they unclip at the base and tuck behind the back panel when not in use, allowing you to carry the bag like a briefcase without any free-hanging hardware. Speaking of the back panel, the Citadel sports one of the most cushioned support systems you'll find on a pack, especially on one of this size. Padded with EVA foam and lined with breezy, airflow-promoting perforations, it's a super breathable setup that keeps your back feeling cool and comfortable no matter how hot it gets outside. Being based in Los Angeles, we've definitely appreciated this feature, as the weather is only going to get warmer. Last but not least, let's talk sternum straps. Adjustability is pretty much expected these days, though not all units are created equally. When it comes to the Citadel, Black Ember has designed the strap with a series of loops and a T-shaped anchor. Fastened with a maglock magnetic closure, it's a secure little setup that's made only better by the small length of integrated elastic. On body, it helps the bag sit on your person without any pressure whatsoever. Over the years, Black Ember has built a reputation for bags that are simultaneously understated and also over the top. Based on our time spent with the Citadel, we can confidently say that the backpack is no exception. For even though it appears simple on the outside, dig a little deeper and you'll see just how modular a bag can be. Whether it's because of the premium finishing, the waterproof performance, or the sleek aesthetic, the Citadel is an option that's sure to satisfy even the most particular of EDC enthusiasts. The gold standard in customizable carry solutions, it's a bag that can't be beat.